here's the plan. She thinks I'm doing a car review. I told her to get all nice and dressed up. I told her tonight look as well as she can so that she can be the thumbnail of the picture and get a lot of views. This is the Cts-V. I've actually had it all weekend. Right now, I'm going to fake set up like I'm doing a car review. We're gonna get this going. I'm really excited. I'm nervous, but I'm excited. I thought that thing was sitting there. Oh my gosh.
Oh. Maybe he won't pull you up as soon as I say that.
You gotta be kidding me. Just keep recording, I guess. I don't know how fast I was going either.
Sir.
How's it going,
Do you have
sir?
your license, registration, insurance on you?
Yeah.
You know what the speed limit is there right when you pass the tracks?
Was it 40?
It's 25. I think it doesn't turn to
okay.
40 till after where I was sitting.
All right.
I had you locked in at 39 and climbing. Do you have your license on you too, ma'am?
And that should